All right, YouTubers, it's your boy Eric. I'm gonna give you a little video review or toolbox show review, whatever you want to call it, that I see people do online. All right, let me see here to make this the best way. Snap-on towel. Got from my Snap-on rep. Gearhead chillin'. Full menu of tools. Snap-on. And by the way, Snap-on is my favorite when it comes to tools. My floor jacks. Need floor jacks. A little side cart right here. It's a little messy right now. Air vacuum pod there. Coolant jug. Reservoir thing. Air box. Just got these things the other day from Matco. Pretty cool. Do brake jobs, it holds the calipers up. It's my bike, mountain bike. Pad for knees, whenever I gotta do something on the ground. It's my creeper. These are my Snap-on fender covers. Have fender covers when you're working on some nice cars. All right, so let's get to the toolbox. All right, first drawer. Put my flashlight away. I got this flashlight fetish. It's my Coast flashlight. Flashlight. It's my little Bandit stream light. I like this. You can put it on your hat. You can put it on a strap, put it around your head. Here's another flashlight. Light. It's the Astro-Pneumatic. See that see Matco has one like this. Looks exactly the same, so I went ahead and bought that from SK. My Matco impact gloves. Like using those for doing alignments. My huge ass Snap-on big ass pry bar. Motherfucking big ass pry bar. Couple torque sticks. This one's a Harbor Freight. So my toolbox is mostly Harbor Freight, Snap-on, Mac and Matco, Craftsman, you know, full line of tools. This is my my serpentine belt tool, removal tool. Just got a whole bunch of fucking magnets and shit like that over here. pocket screwdrivers you get off the truck. Snap-on dude. My uncle gave me this little Mopar. It's a laser pointer and a flashlight. All right, so here are my sockets. These are all my sockets are Snap-on. So these are my quarters. Quarter metric, quarter standard, my 3/8, short and long, standard, which I don't have a complete set. Those are Craftsman. Standard impacts, which those happen to be Harbor Freight. They're actually pretty good sockets. I used the 7/8, the 22 a lot. Power probe. Just bought this bitch the other day. Haven't used it. Not too much into diagnostics, but had to get this. I was using it a couple times, borrowing it from people. You know that rule, you borrow something 2 times, and after 2 times you should pretty much own it, buy it. A little gear wrench mini set, a ratchet with some sockets and stuff like that. Very convenient. And a little box full of little adapters for screwdriving. Along as a spark plug tool. Here I got my extensions, 3/8, quarters. This side is all my my metric sockets. And this has happened to be a standard 1/4" impacts. I like impact. I like impacts because it's usually using air tools and air ratchets and air impacts. And you got my big old 1/2 inchers. Got this set right here the other day. The Shorty Profile 1/2 inchers. I bought that. Bought this the other day with that because I use them as a swivel socket type of a thing. Come very handy. My 1/2 inch to 3/8 reducer. Got these at Harbor Freight. This is that 3/8 to 1/2 inch extender, I guess you want to call that. These I got from Harbor Freight too. They've come handy. They're all sizes. There's the other one. This is the 1/4 inch. Found this when I was riding my bike one day. Just by a dealership, happened to be by a dealership. It's this Snap-on 19mm. Actually, it's a 3/4, but the equivalent of the 19mm socket. So, gotta keep that. Big old 36 wheel bearing socket for the Chevys. Like I said, these are my 3/8 mids, 3/8 shorty, 3/8 swivel. Best swivels on the market are Macos with the pinless sockets. Little generic things here. Cheap set of brake caliper tools that I bought a while ago to do calipers. 3/8 swivel extension. Put a lot of these other sockets on here and use them with it whenever I need a swivel, because these are very expensive. They're like $400 and something. You gotta have them. Just got these the other day. These Opti Torque. Got that funky pattern. They supposedly can do rounded off bolts, torque, star pattern, torques, a whole bunch of different kind of patterns. A couple torques here. Bought this set the other day. It's like to remove stripped out torque screws or serpentine belt tool pieces. My relearner for tires for Chevy. Like I said, I got a flashlight fetish. Streamlight. I like all my lights to be streamlight. It's my big boy right here. It's one of the first people to own these things when they first came out. $260 flashlight. People were like, "You're fucking nuts." But after I used it, I was like, there was no flashlight comparable to it on the market at the time. I think I've owned it for almost 8 years, 10 years maybe, 8 years. It's a while. Transmission tool. Taking out transmission lines. Chevys, you need that. Very handy tool. All right, that's the first drawer. Next drawer. Wrenches. One of my first investments were these Mako ratcheting wrenches. Then I bought this Mako extra long wrenches. Blue Point Shorty set, ratcheting wrenches, Snapon, flank drive. Gotta have the flank drive. You gotta have all the big high sizes they're the best wrenches for doing alignments, for breaking jam nuts. All my standards are Craftsman. I bought a set when they were on sale. Got a great deal on them. Don't use them too much, but in times I need them. Some Craftsman brake line wrenches, crow's foot. Snap-on. Like I said, Snap-on's my favorite shit. Some extra wrenches over here. Some shorties.